So now we continue the sum. That's section D, question number 12. Okay. So here section D. Question number 12. So what is given in question number 12? Vyx that is 0.8. Vyx 0.8. Okay. And here then find the value of BVU. Okay. आपको BVU find करना है. Okay. From the following U and V. Okay. So here U and V is given. Okay. U and V is given. Okay. So मेरा lecture चालू है अभी. So now first one that is here U equals to x minus 105 and V is equal to y minus 90. Okay. Now this value is given here. U is equal to x minus 105, V is equal to y minus 90 is given. Okay. So there is a no cy and cx. Okay. Then कुछ value है ही नहीं. Okay इसका. So byx is equal to formula क्या आपका bvu into cy upon cx. Okay. ये इसका फॉर्मूला. ओके बट देयर इज नो चेंज. 1/1 ही होगा यहाँ पे. ओके सो टू फाइंड हियर bv. ओके तो इसको बाहर लेके जाओगे आप. सो यहाँ पे आपको byx कितना दिया हुआ है 0.8 दिया हुआ है इज इक्वल टू bvu bvu. सो हियर cy अपॉन cx. ओके तो इसका वैल्यू तो क्या है 1 1 दिया हुआ है. सो देयर इज नो चेंज. सो हियर देयरफॉर bvu equals to 0.8 है ना. Yes, 0.8. Okay. So there is no change in the value of BV. Okay, 0.8. Okay. Next question that is here U equals to x minus 1400 divided by 100 and value of V y minus 750 divided by here 50. Okay. So here x is equal to 1400 divided by 100 and V is equal to y minus 750 divided by 50. Okay. So now here that is a cy. Okay. Cx is equal to 100 and here cy is equal to 50. Okay. Your formula is byx is equal to bvu multiplied by cy upon cx is your formula. Okay. So byx that is a 0.8 is given. bv you have to find here. cy that is here 50 and cx that is a 100. Okay. So now find this value. Okay. If this value goes out, BVU, so क्या हो जाएगा 0.8 into 100 divided by 50. Okay. So 50 to the 0.8 into 2. What is the value here? 8 to the 1.6 here. Yeah. So answer is 1.6. Okay. So now question number 3 now. Question number 3. So what is given here? U equals to 10 x minus 4.6 and V equals to y minus 75. Okay. Now see here. Here 10 is multiplied by x minus a and V is equal to y minus b. Okay. So there is no value here. Okay. So take here 1 and there is also no value. Take here 1. Okay. So here value of cx that is a 1 by 10. Okay. Because 1 is already here. Okay. So if this value comes this side, value will be 1 by 10. Okay. In this case, cy equals to 1. Okay. So there is no value. We multiply and divide also. Okay. So cy equals to 1. Now your formula byx is equal to bvu multiplied by cy upon cx. Okay. So byx is given that is 0.8 equals to bvu. Cy upon cx that is a 1 upon 1 by 10. Okay. 1 upon 1 by 10. So here value is, so here if we find this value b bu equals to 0.8 into, now value is here 1 by 0.1, okay, 1 upon 1 0.1, okay, so value is here 1.08, okay, value is here 1.08, okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 1/10 का 0.1 हो जाएगा, okay, so your value is 0.08. Clear all of you? Okay. So now here question number 3 is finished now. Next one, that is the question number 13. Okay. So my earphone मेरे पास नहीं है, थोड़ा okay. So now what is given here? Question number 13. That is the number of observation is given, that is 8. So n is equal to 8 is given. Mean that is given, means x bar is given 100, y bar is given 100. The sum of the square of the deviation taken from mean. Okay. So Sx is given 130. X minus x bar. Sorry. Sigma x minus x bar. Sigma x minus x bar square, that is a 130. Sigma y minus y bar square 145. And here sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to given 115. Okay. So now see here, यहाँ पे जो आपका x bar है, that is in round figure, okay, not in decimal, okay. So formula number 1. So b y x equals to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square. Okay. So here value is 115 divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square, that is a 130. Okay. What is the answer here? 0.88. Okay.
See, I made a column for
So 0.88 is the answer. You have to find here y on x. क्या find करना है आपको यहाँ पे? Y on x find करना है. So value of b, that is the 0.88. Now value of a, y bar minus bx bar. Okay.
number 1. Name of the
So y bar, value of y bar is
temperature.
100. Okay.
Temperature is mean.
Value of b 0.88. X bar value is 100.
One.
So here value is 100. Now multiply the value is 0. So value is 0.88 into 100, that is 88. Now 100 minus 88, that is a 12. Okay. So y cap equals to a plus bx. Okay. So a की वैल्यू क्या है? 12 है. b की वैल्यू क्या है? 0.88 है. और x की वैल्यू नहीं दी है, so just put the here regression line y cap is equal to a plus bx. Okay. बराबर? ओके, 2 मिनट में थोड़ी जगह चेंज कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे थोड़ा आवाज आ रहा है सर का. ओके.
Still it is considered a home and food.
Okay. Now next one, that is the question number 1. Okay, section E. Section E. Question number 1. So what is given here? The manager of IT company has collected the following information regarding the years of jobs and monthly income of 7 marketing executives. Okay. Now here years of job is given and the monthly income is given 10,000. Okay. Remember it. Given in 10,000. It means this is 11,000, this is 7,000, this is 9,000. Okay. Obtain the regression line of monthly income of the years of the jobs of the marketing executives. Okay. Just you have to find here regression line. Just find only regression line. Okay. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. So here, first one, that is the here x and y. Okay. Value of x that is here 100. Sorry, 10, 6, 8, 5, 9, 7, 11. Okay. And here is 11, 7, 9, 5, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now, value is given here short. Okay. So x or y की जो value है that is in one figure. Okay. So you can make here direct formula. Okay. So direct formula is apply here. Okay. So here next one that is a x square, y square, and xy. Okay. So 10 tens are 100, 6 6 are 36, 8 8 are 64, 5 5 are 25, 9 9 are 81, 7 7 are 40, sorry 49, 11 11 are 121. And here y square 121, 49, 81, 25, 36, 64. Here 100. Okay. Now xy. Okay. What is your xy? This two multiplication. Okay. 11 tens are 110. Okay. 7 6 are 42. 9 8 are 72. Okay. 5 5 are 25. 9 6 are 54. 7 8 are 56. 110. Okay. What is total here of x and y? 56. Okay. Y? Very good. Chalo. Or x square? 476. Y square का? Huh? Oh, sorry. It's a regression. Okay. XY. 469. Okay. 469. Okay. So now here, regression line y on x. Okay. So here v by x. Okay. That is n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Okay. So value of n that is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now here value of n that is 7. Sigma xy given 4, 6, 9. Okay. Sigma x that is 56. Sigma y 56 divided by n that is 7. Sigma x square 476. Sigma x whole square. Oh, sorry. Sigma x whole square 56 square. Okay. Now here 469 into 7. What is value here? 3283. Okay. Now 56 into 56. What is value here? 3136. Okay. 476 into 7. How much? 3332. Okay. Very good. Now 56 square is 3136. Okay. Yes. Now what is the minus here? How much? 147. Okay. Now 3332 196. Now divide the value 0 0.75. Okay. So value of B that is a 0.75. Okay. Now here value of A. Okay. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Okay. So we are not finding here y bar. Okay. So find first of all x bar and y bar. X bar that is a 56 upon 7. So 8 7 56. So here 8 and y bar also 8 7 7 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So here 8. Okay. So both the value that is the 8. Okay. Y bar and x bar. Okay. So y bar is 8. Value of b that is 0.75. X bar is 8. Okay. Now 0.75 to 8. What is the value here? 6. Okay. Now 8 minus 6 that is a 2. Okay. So y cap equals to a plus bx. Okay. So value of a that is 2. Value of b that is a 0.75. Value of x is given in the question. No, okay. So just put the here regression line y on x. Okay. So 2 plus 0.75x. Okay. So here question 1 is finished section E. Okay. Now next question, that is the section question number 2, section E. Okay. So what is asking in question number 2? The information collected regarding price in centimeter in rupees of a commodity and its supply in 100 units is as follows. Okay. Price is given, supply is given. Supply, now see here. Supply 100 units is given. Okay, here 100 units. Okay. Obtain the regression line of supply on the price. Supply on the price. So y on x. Okay. Supply on the price, y on x. Okay. So here x and y. Okay. Value of x, that is 59. Value of next, that is 60, 61, 62, 64. Next 57. Next 58. Next 59. Value of y, that is 78, 82, 82, 79, 81, 77, 78, 75. Okay. Now what is total here? X and y. X का कितना है? 480. Okay. And y? How much? 632. Okay. 632. Okay. So now here x bar, that is sigma x upon n. 480 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 8, 6 are 48. So 60 here. And y bar sigma y upon n 632 divided by 8. 79. Okay. So both are in without decimal. Okay. So we are taking here x minus x bar and y minus y bar formula. Okay. So here x minus x bar, here y minus. हाँ? हेलो, कुछ पूछना है? Okay. Now here, हाँ बोलो क्या था? आज मैं ईयरफोन नहीं लाया. ओके. कुछ पूछना है? नहीं खाली संभल. ईयरफोन नहीं लाया ना आज. डायरेक्ट संभल. So now here x bar value is how much? 60. Okay. Now 59 minus 60, that is a minus 1. 60 minus 60, that is 0. Here 1. Here 2. Here 4. Here minus 3. Okay. Here minus 2. Here minus 1. Okay. Notice total here 0. It must be 0. Okay. 0 आता है? 0 आता है? हाँ? Okay. So 0. Okay. So y minus y bar value is here, that is 79. Okay. So minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 79. 79 कितना है? 0. 81, that is 2. 77 minus 2. 78 minus 1. 75 minus 4. 0 आता है इसका? Okay, okay. So यहाँ पे होगा आपका x minus x bar whole square and here x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar. Okay, दोनों का multiply होगा. So now here x minus x bar whole square, 1 का क्या होगा? 1, 0 का 0, 1 का 1, 2 का 4, 2 का 16, 3 का 9, 2 का 4, here 1. Okay. Now here multiply both the value here. That is a minus will be plus 0. 3 1 are 3, 0, 4 2 are 8, 2 are 6. Next one is, that is a 2 into minus 2 minus 1, that is plus 2. Minus 4 into minus 1, that is plus 4. Okay. Now what's total here? How much? 24. Okay. 24. Okay. So now next one, that is the value of b. Okay, 36. Okay. So now value of B, that is a sigma x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar divided by sigma x minus x bar whole square. Okay. So here value is 24, x minus x bar whole square value is that is 36. Okay. So now here, what is the value here? Okay, 0.67 is the value. Okay. Now next one, that is your point here, value of A. So value of A, that is the y bar minus bx bar. Okay. Now here y bar, that is here 79. Value of B 0.67. X bar value is 60. Okay. Now 79. Now what is value here? 0.67 into 60. What is value? 40.2. Now minus the value. How much? Okay. 38.8. Okay. So value of A, that's 38.8. Now y cap equals to A plus bx. Okay. Value of A, that is the 38.8. Value of B 0.67. And value of x is given. Value of x is not given. Okay, just find here regression line, supply on the price. Okay, so y on x only. Okay, so your regression line, that is the y on x. Okay, is the complete here. So your question number 2 is finished. Okay, now we go for next question, and that is the question number 3. Okay, so section E, question number 3. What is given here? The following information is obtained for monthly advertisement cost and the sales of the last year for a company providing online shopping. Okay. So here X bar is given 10, Y bar is given 90. Okay. Here SX is given 3, SY is given 12. Okay. Now here R is 0.8. Okay. R is 0.8. Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या find करना होगा आपको regression obtain the regression line of sales on advertisement cost. Okay. So what is given here? Let's see. So first of all, first value is given, and that is a X bar. Okay. X bar is 10. Here Y bar is 90. SX value is 3. SY value is 12. Value of R, that is 0.8. Okay. So in this case, you have to find optimal regression line. Okay, just sales on the advertisement cost. Okay, sales on the advertisement cost, that is the Y on X. Okay, so BYX equals to R into SY upon SX. ये formula होगा. So R value, that is 0.8. SY, that is 12. SX, that is the 3. So 3 4 are 12 and 8 4 are 32. 3.2. Okay. So value of B, that is a 3.2. Okay. Clear all of you? Okay. Now here value of A, Y bar minus BX bar. Y bar is given here 90. Value of B 3.2. Value of X bar, that's 10. So here 3.2 into 10, that's the 32. So 90 minus 3, what is the value here? 58. Okay. So value of A and B. Okay. So here Y cap is equal to A plus Bx. Okay. Value of A, PA. Value of B, 3.2 X. Okay. So the question line is complete. Okay. Next question, that is the question number 4. Okay. So question number 4 is given here. So what is asking here? The following result are obtained from the following informations of average wild rain of crops per hectare in the last 10 years as a varied result. Okay. So here X bar is given. X bar value is 18. Y bar value is here 970. SX is given 2. SY is given 38. Polish coefficient R is given 0.6. Okay. Here value of X is given. Estimate the height of the crops if the range is 20 centimeters. So X they are 20 centimeters. Okay. बराबर. So it is given 25 centimeter. Find y cap. Okay. If so byx equals to, now here value of coefficient r is given, okay, 0.6. So r into sy upon sx. Okay. So here value is, that is r equals to 0.6, sy that is 38, sx value is 2. Okay. So 0.6 into, what is value here? What is value here? 2 ones are and 2 nines are, okay. So 19 into 0.6 कितना हो रहा है? What is value here? 11.4. Okay. So value of A, that is a y bar minus bx bar. So y bar is 970. Value of B 11.4. X bar is that is a 18. Okay. So 970. Now 11.4 into 18. What's value? 205.6. 205 point. Okay. बराबर ना? Now minus the value. How much? How much? 764.8. बराबर ना? Okay. So 764.8 is the value here. Okay. Value of A. Now here y cap. Okay. Y cap is equal to A plus bx. Okay. Value of A 764.8. Value of B 11.4. Value of x is given, and that is here 20 centimeters. Okay. 764.8 plus 11.4 into 20 करो कितना आ रहा है? हाँ? 22.8. Okay, yes. Now add the value here. Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So 228 plus 764.8 करो कितना आ रहा है? 992.8. Okay. So y cap value, that is a 992.8. Okay. So question number 4 is finished. Okay. So now next one, that is a question number. Next page. Here value is question number 5. Okay. So question number 5. So what is given here? The informations of investment in lakhs in the market price in lakhs after 6 months. In the share market in the last 70 years of all mutual fund companies often as follows. So here mean is given, X bar is given, Y bar is given, variance is given, okay, SX square is given, SY square is given, and covariance is given. Okay. So now here first value, that is a X bar. Okay. The information is invested in lakhs after 6 months. After 6 months, the share market in the last 7 years. Okay, so N क्या होगा आपका 7 होगा. Okay, N क्या होगा आपका 7, last 7 years बोला. Okay, so N क्या 7 होगा. So here X bar is given, that is a 40, Y bar that is a 50, SX square is given 100, SY square is 256. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको एस एक्स फाइंड करना होगा, पर जरूरत नहीं आपको इसकी, because covariance is given here. So covariance xy is given, and that is a 80. Okay. So obtain the regression line y on x. Okay, आपको y on x फाइंड करना होगा. x दिया हुआ है आपको 45 lakhs दिया हुआ है. x की वैल्यू क्या है? 45 lakhs है. Okay. और आपको x बार भी आपको lakhs में दिया हुआ है, y बार भी आपको lakhs में दिया हुआ है, और variance भी आपको lakhs में दिया हुआ है. So there is no need to change this value. Okay. So b by x is equal to, that is the covariance xy divided by sx square. Okay. So covariance xy is given 80, sx square is given here 100. Okay. Now divide the value 0.8. Okay. 0.8. Okay. Now value of a, that is a y bar minus bx bar. So here value of y bar, that is a 50 minus bx bar. b की वैल्यू क्या है 0.8. ओके. और x bar की वैल्यू क्या है 40. ओके. 8 4 32. Okay. Now minus, that is 18. Okay. So now next one, that is a y cap. Now here x is given. X value is 45 lakhs. Okay. So y cap is equal to y cap is equal to a plus bx. Sorry, bx. Okay. So here value of a, that is a 18. Value of b, that is a 0.8. And here value of x, that is a 45. Okay. So यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है वैल्यू 36. ओके. इसका ऐड कर दो अभी 54 here. So value of y cap, that is a 54. Okay. So now next question here. What is given here? Next question, that is the section F. Okay. Section F. Obtain the division line of demand of the price using the following information. Collect for the demand and price of commodity. Estimated demand of commodity price is ₹40. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको प्राइस दिया हुआ है, that is your x. So price is 40. So x is given here. You have to find estimate demand. Okay. Estimate demand of the commodity if price is 40. Okay. तो 40 जो है, तो यहाँ पे देखो 40 नहीं है. Okay. तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी है यहाँ पे 39. Okay. तो आपका जो आंसर आएगा इसके बाद वाला ही आंसर आएगा. Okay. So now let's see. Okay, what is the answer here? Section F. Section F. X and Y. Okay. Question number 1. So 38, 36, 37, 37, 36, 38, 39, 36, 38. What is total here? How much? 335. Okay. So 335. Value of y, that is 12. What भूल गया हूँ? Earphone. नहीं 12. नहीं चलेगा 2 मिनट बाद. 12, 18.
क्योंकि अभी भी ऐसा ही लगेगा तो कैसा बहुत मजा आएगा. पहले बच्चे
12, 18, 15, 12,
बट आपको मजा आएगा.
17,
मजा आएगा
13,
मैंने एक पढ़ाई है इससे मैं आपको पढ़ाने
और 12. Okay. Now what is total of y? One.
और बी वाली को मैंने इसलिए लिखी नहीं की है.
कितना? 127. Okay.
थोड़ा मजा है.
127 ना?
और देखो बेटा
Okay, okay. So now here x bar, that is a sigma x upon n. So here 3, 3, 5 divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So divided by 9 कर दो कितना हो रहा है? 37.20. 22. Okay, okay, 22. Okay. Okay. So y bar, that is a 127 divided by 9. Okay. What is the value here? 14.11. बराबर ना? Okay. Now here we are taking UV formula because both the value are in decimal. So U is equal to x minus a. Okay. बराबर? A की वैल्यू आप एज्यूम कर लो. A की वैल्यू क्या होगी आपके पास? That is a 37 ले लो. Okay. Near to x bar. Okay. B की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Y minus B. Okay. B की वैल्यू क्या होगी आपके पास? That is a 14. Okay. Near to y bar. So here x minus a, okay. So 37 minus 38, that is minus 1. 36 minus, sorry, plus 1, sorry, 38, sorry, plus. यहाँ पे minus 1. 37, that is 0. 37, 0. 36 minus 1. 38 plus 1. 39 plus 2. 36 minus 1. 38 plus 1, okay. So answer क्या यहाँ पे आ रहा है? So minus 1, 2, 3, okay. So minus 3, 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So 5 minus 3, that is 2, okay. Very good. Next one, that is a b minus 14, okay. So 12 minus 14 minus 2, 18 minus 14 minus 4, sorry, plus 4. So now next one, 15 minus 14, 1. So 12 minus 14, that is minus 2, 17, 3, 13 minus 1, 13 minus 1, 15, 1, 12 minus 1. Sorry, minus 2, okay. Now 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. So minus 8, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, okay. Yes, 1, 1. So now here, that is a x minus x bar whole square, okay. X minus x bar whole square. So 1 1 the 1, 1 1 the 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. Okay. Now what's here? How much? 10. Okay. So now here, next step, that is a UV. Okay, sorry, यहाँ पे use पे रखेंगे. अरे एक्चुअली वो त्याग बेस होता है पर हम पहले शायद दिन सामने बेसन होता है कि हमारे यहाँ
or another closely related.